Let's learn addition.
Good morning, my sweet almonds. You know why Auntie is calling you sweet almonds? Because winters have started and it is getting chilly. So if you eat dry fruits in winters, you keep warm, right? So my sweet almonds, let's start some learning of addition. Today Aunt Rachna Auntie is going to tell you about addition. But before we start to learn about addition, I will first revise what you learned in your lower prep classes. You learned picture addition, right? Your aunties used to give you two sets of picture. You used to count and write what is the sum of those pictures. I will give you one example.
Add 2 apples to 1 apple and you get 3 apples in all.
Did you see an example of picture addition? Okay, after that, Rachna Auntie taught you number line addition. You know what is number line addition? You learn to add numbers using a line of numbers. Now just see one example of number line addition also.
3 plus 2. Take a bigger jump to 3, smaller jumps from 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. The answer is 5.
Now let's learn a new way of addition. This new way of addition involves using your mind and your tiny little fingers. Okay, so how do we do it? Let us first see a sum. Did you see the sum? The numbers to add are single digit numbers. Hence, they are written under O of DO. Now, your numbers in this case are 4 and 1. So, you have to add 4 to 1. Now, using this new method of addition, you have to keep the bigger number in your mind. In this case, which is our bigger number? Think, think, think. Yes, it is number 4. So, you will keep 4 in your mind. And which is the smaller number? The smaller number is number 1. So, with the smaller number, we open our fingers. In this case, we have to open one finger. Now, which number is in my brain? In my mind, the number 4 is there. So, I will count on my finger after the number in my brain. Now, in this case, I will count after number 4. So, after number 4, I have to count only one finger. 5. What comes after 4? It is number 5. So, 4 plus 1 in this case is 5. So, you will write 5 under O. Where will you write 5? Under O. We'll take another example. Our next example, did you see, is 6 plus 2. So now in this case, which is the bigger number? The bigger number is number 6. So let's keep 6 in our brain. And how many fingers I have to open in this case? We will open 2 fingers. How many fingers? 2 fingers. Now count after the bigger number in my mind. So after 6 what comes? 7, 8. So how much is 6 plus 2? 8. How much is 6 plus 2? 8. Let's take another example. Okay, In the next example, our numbers are 1 plus 5. Did you notice here? Number 1 is written above number 5. But we also remember our rule. What is our rule? The rule is keep the bigger number in your brain, wherever it is written, okay? So even if it is written below 1, it's okay. So in this case, which number will go in my brain? Number 5. Which number will go in my brain? Number 5. In my mind, I will keep number 5 and I will open how many fingers? Only 1. So 5 in my mind, 1 on my finger. Count after the number in my mind. After 5, what comes? 6. So 1 plus 5 is equal to
Number 6. Let's see the next number.
Right. Did you see the numbers in the example? Oh, this time it is 2 plus 2. Now what to do? Both the numbers are same. So, again, keep one number in your mind and open your fingers with the other number. So, in this case, 1, 2 will go in my mind. With the other 2, I will open my fingers. Okay? So, 2 in my mind, 2 on my fingers. Start counting after the number in my mind. 3, 4. 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. Well done. I know my children are so good at learning. Well done. Learning. Well done. Let's see another example. Oh, the next example is 9 plus 0. What will I do? Keep the bigger number in my brain and open the fingers with the smaller number. So 9 goes in my brain. What is in my hand? What is in my fingers? 0. Auntie told you na, this is a 0. So what comes after 9? I have to count no fingers. So 9 plus 0
is 9 only.
Adding 0 to any numbers. Keep the number retained. Okay? If it is 9 plus 0, it will be 9. If it is 4 plus 0, it will be 4. So 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. Now children, I have something for you. I am giving you few sums in this video. What you have to do is see those sums and tell me the answer of them in your audios. I am waiting for it to hear your audios and I want you to use also in those audios. Tell me which number will go in your brain, how many fingers you will open, how you will count after the number in your mind. Bye-bye. Take care. Keep learning. Love you all.
Observe one thing: when you add number, the addition that you get increases in the value. So, whatever numbers are given, the addition is always more.